I don't know about you, but I love myself a good challenge. And I have an incredible idea for you today. I know a lot of people in my community love robotic affirming. I'm not a big fan of it because it does involve too much doing for me. Like, I love my rituals to be more natural and in flow, but I know that it works for a lot of people. So I'm not going to say that it doesn't work because it does, but it's just not been for me. But I do want to give it another try with my own special twist. So, how about all of us in the month of July? Let's lock in and let's do robotic affirmations with EFT tapping. So, pick your affirmations and literally put a timer on for 10 minutes and just keep repeating the same affirmations for as long as you can while tapping through the meridian points. What do we think about that? Do we like it? I feel like it will work because tapping is a somatic tool. It releases beliefs and reprograms them at a cellular and body level. And we know that emotions are felt in the body, and it's also like a nervous system healing tool. And I actually believe that you don't need the conscious mind to manifest. Like, the thoughts that you consciously think is not as important as what's beneath those conscious thoughts. That has been my personal experience. Like, I have manifested a lot of things despite thinking the opposite. And this is because I don't focus on my conscious thoughts. I go deeper into the subconscious mind and change it from there. And maybe this is also why I love EFT tapping, because I'm able to tap into a different state of consciousness. And it's also why I love Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditations, because he tells us to be nothing and nowhere and no time, which means I'm not my mind or my thoughts. I'm purely consciousness existing in space. So when you access that state, you don't need to be positive or high vibe to manifest, because you are changing your programming. Anyway, if you want to join this challenge, here are the rules. You can also join my bulletin page here on TikTok. It's completely free, and I will share polls every day for accountability purposes. But other than that, I need you to commit to yourself. I need you to want this badly. Okay, not just a little bit, not just it would be nice if it worked. No, I need you to take accountability for yourself and your life. Okay, so comment below and say, I commit to myself. Let's make that energetic promise right now. Okay, now that's out of the way, here are the rules. First, you're going to pick an area of your life that you want to change. This can be your relationships, your love life, money, spiritual, health, any area, but pick only one for this challenge. Second, I want you to pick 3 affirmations related to that area that's easy to repeat. Again, if you join my bulletin page, I will give some options for affirmations in each area. And the reason why we want to pick 3 is because it's nice enough to have variety, but it's not too overwhelming. Okay. Thirdly, I want you to lock in for 33 days. You're going to set a timer for 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night. It has to be twice a day. And I want you to repeat the affirmations while tapping on the meridian points. But just keep tapping and repeating these 3 affirmations on repeat. If you want to go over 10 minutes, make it 15, 20, go ahead, but it has to be a minimum of 10 minutes twice a day, every single day for 33 days. And that's it. That's the challenge. It's so simple. You can do this. You can commit to this. No more excuses. Let's make July the best month ever. And let this be the month where we glow up massively. Okay, comment below and let me know if you're going to join the challenge and what affirmations you're doing and what you're manifesting. If you're not familiar with the EFT tapping points, I'm going to show you really quickly all the meridian points, but I have a lot of videos on my channel where you can actually see how EFT tapping works. But basically, the meridian points are the top of the head right here. And then we have the eyebrow point right here, the side of the eye point right here, under the eye, under the nose, on the chin, the collarbone. It can be right here or just here in the middle. And then you have under the arm, which is just here. Like if you're a woman, it's like where your bra strap is. And then that's it. So you're going to keep Sorry, my mic was not on me, but that's basically it. So under the arm right here, and then go back to the top of the head. And you're just going to go through that round while repeating 3 of your affirmations. You can do it in any order, but you just have to repeat the affirmations for 10 minutes in the morning and at night. Okay? Comment below and let's do this. Let's manifest together. When we manifest in community, it's just so much more powerful. And I promise you, it works. It's almost like the collective energy just supercharges our manifestation. And don't forget to join the bulletin page, entirely free.